Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study Channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 30th July. Let's start. In the year of 1771, on this day, Thomas Gray, one of the famous English poets of 18th century, passed away. In the year of 1836, on this day, the first English language newspaper was published in Hawaii, USA. In the year of 1882, on this day, Satyendranath Basu, the famous revolutionary and freedom fighter, was born. In the year of 1886, on this day, the country's first woman legislator and social reformer S. Muthulakshmi Reddy was born. In the year of 1909, on this day, the Wright brothers built the first aircraft for the military. In the year of 1923, on this day, Govind Chandra Pandey, a well-known thinker, historian, Sanskritist, and aesthetician of the 20th century, was born. In the year of 1930, on this day, Death Valley Days was first broadcast on NBC radio. In the year of 1942, on this day, the German army killed 25,000 Jews in Minsk, Belarus. In the year of 1957, on this day, the Export Risk Insurance Corporation of India Limited was established by the Government of India. It was changed to Export Credit and Guarantee Corporation Limited in 1964 and Export Credit Guarantee Corporation of India in 1983. In the year of 1962, on this day, the Trans-Canada Highway, the world's largest national highway, was officially opened. In the year of 1965, on this day, US President Lyndon B. Johnson signed into the Law of Social Security Act that established Medicare and Medicaid. In the year of 1966, on this day, England won the Football World Cup for the first time. In the year of 1980, on this day, the country of Vanuatu gained independence. In the year of 2002, on this day, Canada designated 7 groups, including Al-Qaeda, as terrorist organizations. In the year of 2007, on this day, Chinese scientists discovered about 5 million years old rocks in Jingzhou. In the year of 2010, on this day, Saina Nehwal was announced to confer the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna and Arjun Award to 15 players including Sunil Chhetri, Jhulan Goswami, Rajiv Tomar, Sandeep Singh on 29th August. In the year of 2012, on this day, there was power failure in 7 states, including Delhi, due to a fault in the northern grid, due to which 36 crore people were affected. In the year of 2020, on this day, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration announced its Mars mission named Mars Perseverance Rover 2020. The Mars rover aims to reach the red planet by the year 2021. In the year of 2020, on this day, PM Narendra Modi and Mauritius PM Pravind Jugnauth jointly inaugurated the new Supreme Court building of Mauritius via video conferencing. In his address during the launch of the building, PM Modi said that Mauritius is the center of India's vision towards the Indian Ocean region. In the year of 2020, on this day, US Congress Committee House Foreign Affairs Committee had passed a bill drafted by civil rights activist John Lewis to promote the legacy of Mahatma Gandhi and Martin Luther King Jr. The purpose of this bill is to establish an exchange agreement between India and the US. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.